Booking a hotel room is a big decision. Potential customers want to know what the rooms really look like. Questions like what facilities does the hotel have to offer? Are the rooms modern and well kept? Is the surrounding location suitable for their needs? These are all questions that need answering. Questions that, if left unanswered, will likely mean that the customer will look at other hotels. Video advertising is a powerful and proven way to attract customers. Videos attract 80% more attention than photos. YouTube, for example, has literally millions of views per day. Showcasing your hotel and giving customers the information they need is guaranteed to increase bookings. Video advertising is a fantastic way to highlight your hotel, facilities, and rooms. Perfect for potential customers to make a decision to book a room. Imagine a video that shows a customer arriving at your hotel. Watch them check in at reception, go to the room, relaxing and using your restaurant and facilities. These kind of videos naturally persuade a customer to make a booking without any pressure. They imagine that person is themselves. The best part of all of this is the cost. Our video production is so affordable, you just can't go wrong. Our videos are priced at less than standard advertising and have far more customer appeal and reach. Your video can be shared across all social media platforms, as well as on your website. Whatever your customer uses to find you, your video will appear. To find out more about our video advert services, get in touch. You can contact us by email, videoadvertservices@gmail.com, or simply drop us a comment below. We will get straight back to you and answer any questions that you may have. Video Advert Services. Connecting hotels and customers together, time and time again.